Okay, how do you get your cat to agree with the harness? Mine won't. Okay, I have the answer. Step 1, you want to get their favorite toy. So Otto really likes this crunchy toy. Step 2, get a harness. I really like this one from Rabbit Goo. This is the one I've been using. It is a small and he's around 10 pounds and it's a little dirty because he likes to roll around. And step 3, get your cat. This is Otto. Everyone meet Otto. He's so excited to be here. Step 4, take your toy, take your harness, take your cat, and let's do this thing. Put the harness on every time you feed them or take them outside. The first time you do it, they're gonna walk around like they have ice on their toes, but that goes away. Do not introduce the leash until they are comfortable with the harness. That means letting them roam free or playing with their favorite toy, and you're gonna do this for a couple of weeks. Step 5, he is gonna roll around in this, so just let him be comfortable and do whatever he wants for a couple weeks.